Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Canon SX-740HS Apron. Today we're just going to do something really quick and simple. 3 ingredients is really all you need. Sausage links. I'm using the maple sausage links. Chicken sausage links. Applegate, delicious. I took 2 slices of cheese and quartered it, so we get a total of 8. 8 crescent rolls. Ooh, you know where I'm going with this, don't you? We have our oven preheated to 375 degrees. Let's open our crescent rolls. I always pop them on the counter. I don't use a fork or anything like that. I never have. That's how my mom did it, so that's how I do it. Okay. Let's unroll these. Pull them apart. To roll it. Now you can always use bacon if you don't like sausage, or whatever sausage you like. Use pre-cooked sausage, or pre-cook your sausage before you roll it. And I want to sprinkle just a little bit of chives. You can do an egg wash if you want to. These stick to it pretty good, so I think it's fine without the egg wash. Yeah. And we're going to put these in the oven. You're going to bake them as is directed on the label. So we're going to do 8 to 10 minutes. And in the oven we go. And there you go. Sausage and cheese wrapped crescent rolls. Good for breakfast, good for a snack, good for any time. Appetizers too. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you will. Click the subscription button, and then over here, the notification bell. Click all so you'll know each time that I put new content on. Okay, these have cooled down. I'm not gonna wait for Tom to try them. I'm gonna try it myself. Yep, give these a try. Quick, easy. You can actually prepare them the night before and put plastic wrap over it and stick them in the oven first thing in the morning. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.